Hey, Brett here with Kingstree Plumbing. If you're a plumber in Sherwood Park, Edmonton, or the surrounding area, and you've been quietly wondering whether there's something better out there for you, I made this video for you. Maybe you're not desperate to leave where you are. Maybe you're not even actively looking, but maybe you're tired. Tired of the long grinding days, tired of poor communication with the office, tired of being sent to jobs without the right information, the right parts, or the right support. Tired of feeling like you're the one carrying the company, but you're still treated like just another number. If any of that sounds familiar, give me a few minutes of your time. A lot of good plumbers get to the point where they start asking themselves, why am I working this hard and still not getting ahead? Why am I missing dinners, weekends, and time with my family? Why does every day feel chaotic? Why am I expected to deliver great service when the system around me is broken? And the frustrating thing is, most plumbers actually like the trade. They like solving problems, they like helping people, they like doing good work. They're not fed up with the plumbing, they're fed up with the companies that make plumbing harder than it needs to be. Darren and I understand that because we've been there. Between us, we've worked as apprentices, technicians, managers, owner operators, and business owners. We've worked in different companies, different roles, and even different countries. We've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly in this trade. And when we decided to build Kingstree Plumbing, we asked a simple question: what would a plumbing company look like if it was actually built around the people doing the work? Not just a customer, not just the numbers, not just the owner, the technicians, the people in the trucks, the people representing the company every day. At Kingstree, we believe that if we take care of our people properly, they'll take care of our customers properly. That means clear communication, it means proper systems, it means reliable vehicles, it means better organisation from the office, it means giving you the tools, software, information, and support you need to run your day properly from the truck. It means focusing on service areas so you're not wasting your life driving around all over the place for no reason. And it means building a company where you can work hard during regular hours, doing excellent work, earn well, and still have a life outside of work. We're not trying to build a place where people burn out. We're trying to build a place where good plumbers can stay, grow, earn more, and be proud of the work they do. Now let's talk about pay, because I know that's what matters most. We are not going to throw some massive number on the screen just to get your attention. That's not how we operate. What I can tell you is this: our goal is to build one of the best paying opportunities for skilled service plumbers in the area. We've built a compensation structure that rewards more than just showing up. It rewards doing the job properly, following a proven process, educating customers, giving honest opinions, creating a great customer experience, and completing quality work. There is a strong opportunity here for the right person to earn significantly more than a traditional hourly role, without having to live at work or rely on endless overtime. We have weekly bonus opportunities, we have systems that show you how to succeed, and if you're someone who is coachable, communicates well, follows processes, and takes pride in your work, there is huge potential here. But I want to be clear: this is not a get rich quick promise. It is not about pressurizing customers. It is not about cutting corners. It's about doing the right things consistently and being rewarded for it. This is probably a good fit for you if you're a strong service plumber who takes pride in your work, communicates well with customers, likes being organized, and wants to be part of a company that is actually trying to do things differently. You don't need to be perfect, none of us are. But you do need to care about the customer, you need to care about workmanship, you need to care about your reputation, and you need to be willing to follow a process that's been built to help you win. If you hate structure, don't like communicating with customers, don't want to be coached, or just want to do everything your own way, then we're probably not the right fit. And that's okay. But if you're thinking, this sounds like the kind of company I've been looking for, then we'd like to talk to you. You don't need to quit your job, you don't need to make a big decision today, and you don't need to send a formal resume if you don't have one ready. Just fill out the short form below, tell us a bit about yourself, what you're looking for, and what you would need to change for you to be excited about work again. If it looks like there could be a good fit, we'll reach out and set up a casual, confidential coffee. We'll learn more about you, you can ask us anything, and we'll show you what we're building here at Kingstree Plumbing. And if you like what you hear in that meeting, the next step does not have to be some massive life changing decision. We know changing jobs is a big deal. We also know hiring the wrong person is hard on everybody. It's hard on the company, it's hard on the team, and it's hard on the person who joined if it turns out not to be the right fit. So, where it makes sense, we'll invite you to spend a couple of trial days riding along with one of our technicians. That way, you can see how we actually work, you can see our systems, you can meet the team, you can see how we talk to customers, you can see how we run calls, and you can get a real feel for whether Kingstree is the kind of place you'd actually want to be long term. At the same time, we'll get to see how you communicate, how you carry yourself, how you learn, and whether there's a good fit both ways. Because we're not just trying to hire anyone, we're trying to find the right people. And we don't want you to make a big decision based only on one conversation. We want you to experience the company before either side makes a bigger commitment. At worst, you have a coffee, spend a bit of time with us, and learn about another opportunity in the trade. At best, this could be the start of a better chapter for you and your family. Fill out the short form below, and I'll look forward to speaking with you soon. Have a great day.